Good evening. Welcome to the series of International Research Conference paper presentations. I am Ami Angela Manuel Abu, a licensed professional teacher, a graduating student, Master in Education Management from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Open University System, Manila. The study, personality traits and academic performance of freshman college students arises from the question of how specific personality traits limited to extroversion and introversion influence the academic performance of freshman college students. There are correlational study and a cross-sectional study from Indonesia and Malaysia that found that students who had good academic achievements have higher income, better employment benefits, and more advanced opportunities. There are also reports that an increasing number of students still do not graduate on time. In the Philippines, the recent massification of higher education raises new challenges concerning success in universities and colleges. This was according to CHED Chair Prospero de Vera, who made a pronouncement during the Senate deliberation for the budget, where Senator Gatchalian pointed out increasing attrition rate in universities and colleges. The PUP, or Polytechnic University of the Philippines, is among the higher education institutions overseen by CHED. It has currently branches and campuses, and discussions through personal communication with some of the administrators from PUP revealed that the institution is not currently that affected by student dropout rates, particularly among freshman students. However, it is acknowledged that this situation may fluctuate due to varying factors each year. Most of the previous studies centered only on academic performance of college students, not considering predictors, specifically personality traits limited to extroversion and introversion. Furthermore, research efforts are directed towards enhancing student retention rates for PUP graduates. Therefore, the present study is focused on the relationship between personality traits and academic performance of freshman college students from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Statement of the problem: what is the respondent's profile in terms of the following variables? Sex, age, religion, and course of study. What are the respondent's traits in terms of personality types, extroversion and introversion? What is their academic performance based on their general weighted average? In senior high school, is there any significant relationship between the respondent's personality and their academic performance? Is there any significant intervention of the respondent's profile on the relationship between their personality traits and academic performance? The total population of the three chosen schools is 2,261, which led to 330 as the respondent sample size. From the PUP Santo Tomas Batangas, PUP Santa Rosa Laguna, and PUP San Pedro Laguna, the current sample size formula was utilized. This will determine the appropriate sample size need. The stratified sampling was also employed to select the representatives of 330 freshmen. To gain the most reliable result, the study involved freshmen from the PUP Santa Tomas, Santa Rosa Laguna, and San Pedro Laguna. The study used a researcher-modified questionnaire in gathering data. This was comprised of two parts. Part 1 contains the demographic profile of freshman college students. Part 2 is about the perception of personality traits. It is composed of two main variables, the extraversion and introversion indicators, for each to be answered using the Likert scale. To treat the data, they used percentage, mean, Spearman's rho, and regression analysis to treat the data. Results and discussion. Table 2. There are 162 or 49.1% female respondents with 168 or 50.9 male of the total 330 respondents. The study found participants in the sample were 18 years old, making up to 75.2, with 19 years old 23.0%, and only 1.8% participants were 20 years old. In terms of religion, in terms of age, religion, There were Catholic, marking up to 70.3% of the entire sample. Furthermore, some respondents self-identified 11.2% Christian and 16.7% Iglesia ni Cristo, and then 1.8% and Muslim. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology was the most common program, marking up to 38.2% of all enrollees. It was found that a considerable number of students were pursuing education programs, specifically Bachelor of Secondary Education, with majors in English, Filipino, and Math, making up to 26.4% of the sample. The average score for extroversion markers was 3.11%, indicating a moderate amount of extroversion. The highest obtained mean was 3.22%, with interpretation that sometimes responded value justice and fairness. In few instances, respondents focus on the reality of how things and they like and that the rules and deadlines should be respected. At the lowest mean is 2.95%. Respondents sometimes could be described as reasonably hard-headed and prepared to have matters settled. Occasionally, they tend to work out ideas with others and think out loud. All statements under introversion indicator have a total mean of 3.14%. The maximum outcome achieved with a mean of 3.34 reveals that sometimes respondents see rules and deadlines as flexible. Occasionally, they prepare a slower pace with time and contemplation, and could be described as reserved and private. The minimum outcome achieved with a mean of 3.0%, which conveys that respondents imagine the possibility of how things could be and notice the big picture and see how everything connects while enjoying ideas and concepts in their own sake. The table exhibits a general weighted average, shows the 330 respondents outstanding descriptor obtained. Highest frequency is 201, accounting to 60.9%, followed by very satisfactory, 39.1. The correlation coefficients between general weighted average extroversion indicator were 0.874%, respectively determined by Spearman's law. The correlation shows a slight positive connection between extroversion and introversion. However, the p-values are higher for the typical significance of 0.05%. The overall extroversion indicator is 0.4173 based on the results association. Extroversion and academic performance is weak. So as you can see, table 11, 12, and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 shows that the result using the regression analysis. Conclusions. Most of the respondents are female, 18 years of age, Catholic with a Bachelor of Science in Psychology as the most common program. The impact of extroversion and introversion on academic performance can vary. Extroverts might thrive in collaborative activities, group discussions, and dynamic learning environments. Outstanding grades are more frequent for respondents with academically gifted traits. Interestingly, none of the sample students were purely satisfactory. There is not enough evidence to determine a statistically significant association between general weighted average in senior high school and extroversion or introversion indicators among participants. The results also recommend from the conclusions the following recommendations are derived. Expanding the research to wider areas of country to assess and validate personality traits and academic performance. Stakeholders may offer a range of engagement opportunities from group collaborations to individual reflections, suggest incorporating personality traits into strategies to improve general weighted average, and regardless of whether the results show a significant relationship, this study may provide more understanding of the various factors affecting academic success. Future researchers may consider research methods to capture the drift of personality traits and academic performance. The intersection of this is important as it evolves with the society changes and educational advancement. Thank you.